In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inactive conversions in Google Ads. If your conversions show as inactive, it usually means your Google tag isn't installed, isn't firing, or isn't linked correctly to your site. We'll walk through the exact path inside Google Ads to check your tag and get it properly installed so your conversion tracking comes back online. First, open Google Ads and sign into the account where you manage your campaigns. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you work across multiple accounts or managers, because tags and conversions are specific to each account. Next, click the Tools and Settings icon at the top right. This is your control center for setup and measurement. From here, we're going to the area where Google centralizes tags and product links. Choose Data Manager. This hub shows your Google tag and any linked products. It's where you can see whether a tag is present, manage it, and find installation options if something's missing or misconfigured. On the Google tag card, click Manage. Here, you should see your tag status and the domain coverage. If you're seeing warnings or the tag isn't associated with your website, that's a strong hint your conversions are inactive because the base tag isn't firing on your pages. If you can't see the Google tag at all, don't worry. That simply means it hasn't been created or linked in this account yet, and we'll set it up from scratch. Click Installation Instructions. This opens the guided installer that walks you through adding the tag to your website. It's the simplest way to ensure you place the tag correctly and don't miss any required steps. You can install with a website builder or CMS. Pick this route if you use platforms like Shopify, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or similar. The guided flow gives platform-specific directions and often supports direct integrations that handle the heavy lifting for you. Be sure to save and publish changes in your site builder so the tag goes live. Then select your platform from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts for your specific CMS. The goal is to ensure the base tag is added site-wide so every page can send data back to Google Ads. Once published, the tag begins collecting data for your conversions, or install manually. Copy the provided base code and add it to your site's global header so it loads on every page. After you deploy and publish your site, return to Data Manager to confirm the tag status. Give it a bit of time to update. When the tag shows as active, your conversion should move out of inactive status and begin recording again.